Hi and welcome back. For today's video, we are going to be creating this beautiful pink and blue makeup look that looks a little bit like cotton candy. So to start off, I'm going to be using my white concealer from ColourPop to prep my eyes. And if you notice this time, I am not going to set with any powder. I'm just going to go ahead and go straight to the eyeshadow. We're going to go ahead and start with this bright pink shadow from the palette Take Me Back to Brazil. And with this shadow, I am using a medium blending brush. It's kind of pointed. I got this from Walgreens. I think it was a package for about maybe $3, and it's actually been one of my favorite ones. So now to blend out, I am going to go ahead and blend the eyeshadow in circular motion, just making everything nice and flawless and blended. And so just go ahead and take your time while you're doing this. That way you can go ahead and build up a color that has nice intensity and it's equally blended all the way around. Now for this pink shadow, I am only going to go halfway on my lid because I'm going to go ahead and go in with blue and do the rest of my lid, which would be the ending part of my cut crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab another shadow, which is also a medium blending brush. I'm going to go in with this blue right here, which is a dark blue. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the end portion of my eyelid in my cut crease. Now if you notice for this part, I'm going to go ahead and bring the end part of the cut crease a little bit out. I'm going to go ahead and bring it out where my eyebrow meets. And we're just going to go ahead and smoke it out. That way we have nice blended colors. There we go. Now using that white concealer again from ColourPop, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit in the middle, look up, and that is where my cut crease is going to end. What I'm doing right now is I am going to go ahead and just mark the cut crease with a little bit of concealer. I'm using this new method from Yatsiri Carrillo where she takes off the excessive eyeshadow on the bottom to have a clear lid. So that's what I'm going to do today for this makeup look. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that cut crease. Since I do have hooded eyes, my cut crease goes a little bit higher than usual for many people, so that's why I am going to go ahead and mark my cut crease. We're going to go ahead and bring that cut crease all the way out to the corner. And this part for the cut crease doesn't have to be perfect the first time because we're actually going to be sorry you guys, it's so early. It's actually going to be taken off with some makeup remover, but you know, the more you can make it precise, the better. We're just going to go ahead and remove this extra color. That way whenever we do come in with new colors, they're nice and they're nicely applied and no other color is mixing in between or underneath any of them. Now we're going to go ahead and go back in with that white concealer from ColourPop. We're going to go ahead and fill in nicely. We're also going to bring out the concealer. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with this pretty pink with a flat brush. And I'm actually using tape to help me with the end part of this shadow. So right here, we're going to go ahead and bring the eyeshadow just a little bit above the cut crease where that white concealer hits. And what we want to do with this portion is we want to go ahead and keep a thin line. So we have so we have like this type of double cut crease. So we're not going to bring it up entirely all the way up to the crease. We're just going to go ahead and go a little bit lower, lower in the crease. That way we can go ahead and keep that line. Now we're going to go ahead and get a different brush. We're going to go ahead and get this blue. And it's easier if you apply it with a super thin flat brush. This flat brush was a little bit thick, so it was a little bit more difficult for me. I actually have to go back in and fix the cut crease because I went a little bit overboard. So these are from e.l.f. and they're actually really good. Just keep in mind that it has to be a thinner flat brush, but all my brushes were dirty, so this is the only thing that I had. And right here I'm going back in and I'm just fixing that cut crease. I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that pink because we need to make sure that everything is nice and blended evenly together. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some liner. This is from e.l.f. You guys know this is my favorite eyeliner and it is super inexpensive. It does not crack. So just make sure you get it at Walmart or Walgreens. Don't go to Dollar Tree because for some reason their e.l.f. brand doesn't really work. They actually crack. I'm also going to go ahead and bring that wing all the way out. I'm going to go ahead and use my Better Than Sex mascara just to get my lashes ready for my fake lashes. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and use these beautiful, what is this called? Let me check and see real quick. This is from Tarte. You guys, I am so in love with this. This is the Tarte Moonwalk Treasure Pot Glitter Gel. And you guys, this, oh my goodness, I am so in love with it. I hope Tarte comes out with more glitter gel because you guys have no idea how this makes me happy. This is so me. Okay, now we're applying the bottom. We're going to go ahead and use the pink for the teardrop, and then the outer portion is going to be the blue. We're just using some highlight, and that is the entire makeup look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you at the next time. Bye, guys.